Welcome to my channel Moumita Live. I'm Moumita. Today I'll tell you 3 easy steps to get a very smooth, creamy and delicious homemade peanut butter. Peanut butter, as we all know, is a very rich source of protein, healthy fats, minerals. But the ones that we get in stores, they have some preservatives and sugar content, which is not very good for our health. Today I'll show you how to make peanut butter easily at home. Okay, the first step, we will roast the peanuts. So now we can hear a popping sound. So the peanuts are done and I can also get an aroma of the peanuts. Now it's the time to remove the skins of the peanuts. For this, we will hold the peanuts with our hands and massage them. Once done, we will strain the skins out and we will get the clean peanuts. Transfer the peanuts to a mixing jar. Now we will start blending the mixture. After 4 to 5 minutes of blending, it will start looking thick and chunky. Keep scraping the sides of the jar with your spoon. After we finish the scraping, we will have to start blending again. Now you can see the consistency has become a little softer. You have to be a little patient at this stage. If your blender's motor gives a smoky and burning smell, give yourself and your blender some rest. After stopping a while, I have again blended the mixture and you can see the peanuts have already started releasing butter and they have thickened up like a ball. I am grinding again and this has become smooth. Two minutes of more churning and here we get a smooth, glossy look to it. To this, I will add 2 tablespoons of honey. You can also add jaggery if you want. Salt is not required. I'll also use 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to give this a chocolatey flavor, but this is optional. It's time to give this a final grind. Let's see how this has come out. Wow, this has come out really good. See how smooth, glossy and buttery it looks. The creamy peanut butter is ready now. Do try this at home. Now I'll transfer this to a jar and we can keep it stored in the fridge for 1 to 1.5 months. You can add a spoonful of peanut butter to give a nutty flavor to your bowl of favorite fruits. You can also make your own protein shake. Add a fruit of your choice in a blender. Add 1 spoon of peanut butter, a cup of milk, some ice cubes if you want. Blend. And enjoy your peanut butter milkshake. Or use it as a spread on bread toasts. You can top your pancakes with peanut butter to make them more flavorful. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe.